Fleur hair did that. Fleur hair did that. We can end it here. It's okay. Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your very first time stopping by, you are so welcome. This is the Nana Nation. I hope you become part of the family so we can grow, love, slay together. And if you're a returning subscriber, oh, what it is, oh, what's up? Got you in the gut. Hey. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You guys are the real ones. Appreciate your love. So today's video is a hair review from Fleur Hair. I'm super excited and super impressed with this hair. Their page on Instagram, I will put their Instagram handle over here so you guys can go check them out, and I will also leave the link in the description box. So they're a hair company based in Texas. Guys, if I tell you, I'm so impressed with this hair. The quality is amazing. Listen, I'm not just trying to say this because I'm trying to get you and put you guys on. Listen, hair quality is super important. Like, she's got bomb hair quality, easy to comb through. Like, guys, I'm so impressed. Like, even how I laid the wig, like, it was so easy. You guys are definitely gonna see it was super easy. Yeah, so if you guys would like to know how I actually set this hair and how I laid it down, please keep watching this wig. So this is the wig that they send me. This is the packaging it comes in. It says Fleur Hair. You guys can see it's pretty cute. I honestly just love their motto. It says slay on a budget. So for those who really want to slay on a budget, this brand is definitely your go-to. They also have options whereby you get to pay for your wig in 4 installments. It's called Seasel or Sezel, however you want to pronounce it. So if you cannot afford to buy your wig all at one go, you can pay like in 4 installments, and they send the wig to you. You see, so this is the wig. This is the packaging it comes in. I'll show you guys my address, but I'd have to kill myself if I do that. So it comes with a cute little note that says Fleur Hair. They packed 2 wig caps for me, really good ones. And then they also packed an elastic band. So for those who like to make their wigs tight, this is definitely for you. I have got a very big head, you guys can see. So an elastic band for me is a definite must, but the wig fits perfectly. So the hair design that I picked is called Lindt. So it's a brown, it's an ombre kind of like color. See, like very good quality hair, you guys can see. So this is a closured wig. It's my first time trying a closured wig in like a very long time. And you guys can see how well the tracks are like sewed in. Like, there's enough space. The wig, I'll definitely say this is 150 density. Between 150 maybe 180 density. It's very full, very full. Definitely I can see that she used the entire like pack. She did also bleach the knots, so we're not gonna do that because the knots have already been bleached. You guys can see. If you guys will know how to like deal with wigs, you guys can definitely see like review. So I've already used this wig cap. I'm really not gonna reuse this. I'm gonna reuse it because I'm not stepping out in the streets to go get a wig cap. Not in this corona. No. So I'm gonna put the wig cap on. So what I normally like to do is I push all my hair back, but this is like a closure. Ouch! It's a closure wig, so it's just like the front that you're going to like mostly need. And then I kind of like put it back a little bit. Make sure I have all my hairs tucked away. Normally people they tint their lace wigs before they put them on, just so that it kind of matches their skin tone. A product that I'll definitely recommend that you guys use if you're trying to like tint your lace for it to match like your skin tone, instead of like maybe if you're not so good at bleaching your knots, this is definitely a product to go for. This is Sally Hansen airbrush legs. This is in the shade Deep Glow, so you guys can see this is the shade that it is. So it's not necessarily my skin tone, if you guys can see, but it does somewhat do a bit of it does like its justice. So what I like to do is I go in and I then spray a bit of the top of the lace. So we're gonna do that. Ooh. So let's get flirty. Wow, this is gonna be amazing. So the wig is definitely it's definitely my size. So you guys can see as I put the lace on, like you guys can see it definitely matches my skin tone over here, so it's definitely not something that I'm gonna have to worry about. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna spray my Got To Be Glued on this part and dry it up. My Got To Be Glued and just spray. Ooh. I don't want to spray it under. I like to always spray my Got To Be Glued like right on top, because like it just does the right things when it's like sprayed on top. Ooh, so what I'm just gonna quickly do is cut off these edges on this side just so that it kind of like matches and sits well with my skin. Now that we've actually blow dried this part off, so now we're just gonna like cut it off. You just have to be very careful when cutting the lace. So I feel like when cutting your lace, you really don't want to cut it like in a straight line. You want to cut it in a motion whereby the hairline kind of looks natural. Even when you lay it back down again, it still looks natural. And also you don't want to cut your lace way too much as well, because if you keep cutting your lace at the end of the day, you're gonna have to keep pushing your wig forward, and at the back you're gonna have like all your wig standing up, and that's just not gonna look cute. So right now we're just trying to figure out which way we actually want this wig to face. Either it's going to be middle or side part. It already came as a side part, but I'm not so sure if I want to do a side part. I'm probably going to do a middle part, because I honestly love like middle part like wigs. I don't know what it is about them, but they just like do the ish for me. So seeming that it is standing up, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hot comb. Listen ladies, please invest in your hot comb. Trust me, this stuff helps like crazy. I got this off Amazon too. I will put the link in the description box, so in case you want to get yourself one, honey, invest in these. These, I don't know what they do, but they just like work magic on wigs, guys. I really don't know what they do, but yeah. So I'm just going to go in. So these go up to like 450 degrees, or depending on how hot you want it to be. Remember, some wigs require a certain amount of heat, so I wouldn't really say apply so much heat on your wig. So don't do it before you say I came and told you to like destroy your wig. Sis, I did not. Right now I have this at high heat. How long is this wig? This is a 12, I think it's a 12 or 14 inch wig. It's very long. I have a bob and it's not this long. This is like, for me, this is like a very long bob. And hence the name Lindt, because this is like a very chocolatey color wig. So now I'm gonna take my hair straightener and I'm just gonna like straighten the hair a little bit. Ouch. Damn, I hate burning myself with my hot irons. I'm loving this. I'm loving the color. I'm loving everything about this hair. Like, it's stunning. absolutely stunning. Like, what? It was super easy to lay down this wig. And what she also does, one of the best things, the biggest benefits I'd say that the company offers is a 4-week installment. So if you really can't afford to purchase your wig all at one go, let's not lie guys, wigs are expensive, especially if you're looking for a good, like, just look at how clean the front looks. Like, it looks so neat. I didn't have any difficulty straightening the hair. The hair, like, is really easy to comb, also easy to run your fingers through, like, and it's very wavy, it's bouncy too, so I can curl it if I want to, I can straighten it if I want to. Okay, fleur hair. Wow, I've got so much to say about this hair guys, like, I can't stop feeling myself. Ooh, like, I'm just so impressed. Like, her plucking on this wig was out of this world. Like, it was easy for me to like cut the lace through nicely. I didn't have to do any extra plucking. Sometimes I order wigs, maybe you have a wig and you have to like start re-plucking because you're not really satisfied with the plucking that they initially did on the wig. But with this one, I was really impressed with the plucking. Like, I sent her a message immediately I got the wig. I was like, yo, this plucking is like out of this world. And like I said, she already bleached the knots. And this also is an, like, this guys, holy grail stuff. Holy grail stuff, because I didn't have to even like add foundation. Normally I'd add like a powder or a foundation on the lace front just to kind of like make it match my skin tone. How would I rate this wig? 100 out of 100, 100 out of 10 guys. Wow. And I don't know what it is about this color, like, it just makes my skin tone like look even more like fire. Like, hello. Hey. Like, hey baby, what you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I'm so impressed. Like, her lace fronts are so gorgeous. Like, guys, on a budget, like, this is you slaying on a budget, literally. And the fact that they have an option where you can pay 4 installments, guys, don't sleep on this. Do not sleep on this, please. So packaging, definitely I give her 10 out of 10. I love the personalized notes. And the fact that you'll automatically get a 10% discount on your next purchase for the next time, for me that is amazing because not everybody would do that. So you already get a discounted coupon code for your next purchase. Bomb. And remember, like I said, she does also include like different other items. Oh my god, wow. Oh wow, I'm really impressed guys. Fleur Hair did that. Fleur Hair did that. They did that. Listen, if you see me in these streets, just know that Fleur Hair is making me feel. Instagram page right here, so follow them on Instagram. Be sure to follow them on Instagram, and don't forget to also use my code if you guys would like to purchase a wig. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also do not forget to follow Fleur Hair on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram too, because I'll be that girl.